Hi everyone, I'm YUCa. Welcome to YUCa's Japanese cooking. Guess which ramen soup is popular among Japanese people? Ramen was introduced from China but has been completely localized to suit the Japanese palate. The Japanese ramen technique of mixing the tare, kaishi, with dashi is an application of Japanese buckwheat noodles, soba technique. And Japanese ramen is still evolving day by day. However, the classic soups remain as popular as ever. So this time, I'd like to introduce the best 5 popular Japanese ramen in Japan. Here are my helpers, Mario and Luigi. Okay, let's see. So number 5, it's a tantanmen. Tantanmen is a Japanese version of dandanmen from Sichuan, China. Dandanmen doesn't come with soup, but tantanmen comes with spicy chili flavor soup in a 3 times bigger bowl in Japan. Both came with miso pork minced and flavored with chili. And number 4, the Shoyu Ramen, salt ramen. Who has tasted salt ramen? Please let me know. Shoyu Ramen is made of chicken or a pork bone broth seasoned with soy sauce, and it's not cloudy because it is not boiled as strongly as tonkotsu ramen soup. Number 3, tonkotsu ramen. Tonkotsu ramen is a cloudy soup stock made of chicken bone and also pork bones, seasoning it with soy sauce based soup. I only teach tonkotsu ramen on my online class, so if you're interested in, please sign in. Normally it takes around half a day to make tonkotsu ramen, but I teach the tonkotsu ramen within 5 hours. For sign in the tonkotsu ramen class, I put the link in a description box, so please check. Have you ever tried tonkotsu ramen? If yes, please tell me which restaurant and how did you like it. And number 2, it's a miso ramen. Miso ramen is popular in Hokkaido area and has a butter and sweet corn on top, since it has butter on it. So the miso and the butter, when it melts together, it's so flavorful and rich. Okay, so number 1, please guess what? I'm sure many of you guessed already. Yes, soy sauce ramen, shoyu ramen. Shoyu ramen is a popular ramen with minimal toppings in a clear color that is combined with a kombu and dried bonito flakes. I made soy sauce ramen, shoyu ramen, so let's try tasting. Itadakimasu. It's very simple toppings. You should have a chashu and half-boiled egg and menma. It's a bamboo shoot and naruto. It's a fish cake and nori seaweed for toppings. And to add green color, I put a long onion, chopped long onion. You can also put a boiled spinach to add green color. Oh, smells good. I have to eat. Ooh. Looks so hot. And excuse me my slurping. In Japan, you have to do. Chashu so thick. So thick and so soft and juicy. This chashu goes well with the clear soup. Important ingredient for ramen is a seasoned egg. I teach all those techniques in my cooking class, both in person and online. So please join. ごちそうさまでした。And what did you think of ranking results? I hope many ramen lovers around the world like this video. If you have any other requests about the recipe or rankings, please tell me in the comment box down below. So special thanks to Mario and Luigi. So everyone, see you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.